What is Python? Python is a high-level interpreted and general-purpose programming language known for its simplicity, readability, powerful ecosystem, allows developer to build everything from small script to complex machine learning applications using clean and efficient code. Okay, let we know what is high level, what is interpreted. Okay, what is high level? High level means written code in human friendly syntax. It means similar to English language. So we can handle with easily abstracting way hardware details like memory management. What is interpreted? Interpreted means code is executed by line. It means first it can execute this line, after this line it can check every line by an interpreter without compiling it into mission code first. Before mission code it can check every line. What is the purpose of this? Why we can learn? Not limited to one domain, used in web development. We can use in data science, artificial intelligence, automation, game development, like this, etc. Everyone likes simplicity. Likewise, Python also likes simplicity. It means it can have a clean syntax and minimal code to allow everything you can do more. Like it can allow number of line of codes. That why it is simplicity. Readability means we can write the code easy to write and maintain. We need not to pay anything even by someone who didn't write it, thanks to indentation and naming conventions. Why? Because of indentation means tab space, so it can give our to how to read it, what is what. That's why readability. Powerful ecosystem. It means Python offers thousands of libraries like NumPy, Pandas, TensorFlow, Django that simplify complex tasks. It means based on these libraries we can do our task efficiently and simply. Complex machine learning. It means Python can support building intelligent systems like recommendation engines, speech recognition, and image classifications by using machine learning. That's why. Efficient code. It means Python let you write code that concise. It means we can think like to do our work with efficiently and fastly with impressed by someone. That's why it is efficient code. So what are the highlights in this Python? High level language, interpreted language. It is dynamically typed. It means no need to declare variables types like what is int. It means name is equal to some in strings. So we need not to declare it is string. That's why it is dynamically typed. Portable. It can works like across Linux, Macs, Windows, any. Rich libraries. It comes with the tools for math, data, web, artificial intelligence, and more. Even libraries. It can work with any library. Object oriented. We have Python is a OOPS concept. It can support like class, inheritance, abstraction, like this. Why we can learn Python? It is beginner friendly. It means it can have clean and efficient code. Its syntax is similar to English language. Productivity booster. It means minimal code to achieve more. We want think like achieve more to start with some small, but we want to achieve more like that. Python is also like that. That's why it is productivity booster. General. It means great for problem solving. In Python we can do problem solving very effectively, very efficiently, and we can to do code is very easily. Perfect for coding interviews. Massive ecosystem. Why? Because of it can used in web development, artificial intelligence, automation, more even libraries. It can work with number of libraries. Where we can use it Python? In web development we can use Django and Flask. These are the frameworks of Python. Data science, we can have Pandas, NumPy, like this. In machine learning, skit learning, TensorFlow, automation, Selenium, PyAuto GUI, What is GUI? GUI is a graphical user interface. In Python, we can create a new page or we can create interface using Python. API scripting. What is API? Application Programming Interface. We can do fast APIs request from client to server. Getting started with Python. How we can download it? I can give installation. We can use VS Code, PyCharm, Jupyter Notebook, Replit. Even though we can use Python online compiler also. So we can do some codes. Our first code is print hello world. Everyone can print. What is the syntax? It can have some syntax. It is case sensitive. It means start with capital letter. It can also start with capital letter. What is indentation? Tab space. No semicolon needed. Lines end with new line by default. Example, what is indentation? Here we can give tab space. It is indentation. It can execute only in Python. In this we can't give indentation. So it is bad indentation. Python comments. So what is a comment? Comment is a line that Python ignores during execution, used to explain code or logic or disable specific lines. Indentation is important in Python. We can have different types of comments: single line comment and multi-line comment. It means single line means it can comment. We can use this in inline comment. In multi-line we can use it for documentation or explanation. That's it. Here we can give one note. It means triple quoted text. In string we can give single quotation or double quotation. That is enough. We need not to give another like triple quoted text in technically a string. It is not assigned. It ignored at runtime. So we can have some task. Let's see. Here just we are printing hello world. Okay, just print. It is enough. It can give hello world. Okay, let's run. Print. This print statement can execute hello world. We can write in double quotation in print statement. It can give output. Printing sign of a number like positive sign or negative number using if else and elif and else conditions. These are conditional statements in Python. So here enter 2. Generally 2 is a positive number. That's why it write in code. Enter. So it can give positive number. We can give negative number. Minus less than 0. It can give negative number. So here we can print the same program only using if condition. Not elif, else, only if conditions. Then we are printing our name. How we can print our name in Python? So some give xyz. Hello, my name is xyz. We want to add some numbers in Python. So we can do which operator? Arithmetic operator. Arithmetic operator means plus. So enter some 2. Enter some 4. It can give sum. That's it.